The settings it's not opening in my Windows. If you have a problem like mine, then see how to solve it. Open Command Prompt with Administrator. Now copy the text. The text code also available in my video description. Now press Enter from the keyboard. When the processing completes, now you have to exit. Now press Enter from the keyboard. Again open Command Prompt with Administrator. You have to create a user account. This is a username you can rename with your name. Now copy the text and paste it to the command prompt. Now press Enter from the keyboard. Again, copy the text and paste it to the command prompt. Now press Enter from the keyboard. Now type net users. Now press Enter from the keyboard. Now and another user account is also created on your computer. I hope your problem is fixed. Now restart your computer.